Okay, today we are going to write equations, all right? We've already had some practice writing algebraic expressions. Today, though, it's an algebraic equation. There's one thing and only one thing that makes an equation different than an expression. Okay? It is an equal sign. Can you kind of see the word equal in equation? All right? An equation has an equal sign. Now, here's what you look for to find the equal sign. You look for the word is. All right? When you see the word is, it is going to be an equal sign. So, all we have to do, write down on your whiteboards exactly what I say. All right? 53. Write down on your whiteboards exactly what I say. 53 plus 4 times B is as much as. Is means what? Equals. Is as much as 21. So, all you should have is 53 plus 4 times B is as much as 21. 53 plus 4B equals 21. Alright? Now, number 2. The sum of. First of all, what does sum mean? What does, Carlos? Add. Good. Sum means add. What does difference mean? Subtract. And product? What is it, one? Times. And quotient means divide. Okay? Sum is plus, difference is minus, product is times, quotient means divide. So the sum of. Now, remember what I said? Anytime it says of, where am I going to put this plus sign? On what word? Joshua. And. Good. The sum of. So I need to find my and that's going to be my plus. Okay? So now, let's just look at this. The sum of, taking care of that, write down what it says. 5 times H and twice G is equal to 23. So this should be the sum of 5 times H and twice G is equal to 23. Remember, if you're having trouble remembering what twice means, think money, okay? JJ has $5. Brandon has twice as much as him. Everybody can figure that out. Brandon's got $10 because 5 times 2. So just remember, twice means times 2. All right. Number 3. Write down what I say. 1/4 the sum of R and 10. Actually, let's never mind. 1/4 the sum of R and 10 is identical to R minus 4. One-fourth the sum of R and 10 is identical to R minus 4. Is identical to. Okay, so just write down what it says. Let's see, Jenna, tell me what to write down. 1/4. The sum of. All right, now, first of all, those words just kind of run together, right? 1/4 the sum of. Jenna, what do we do when things run together in algebra? We multiply. Good. 1/4 the sum of means 1/4 times the sum. Now, be careful here. When you see something like this, and we're multiplying by one of those words, 1/4 times the sum, or the product, or the difference, okay? Or the sum of the product. When you have two of those words together like that, most of the time, you're going to need a parenthesis, okay? 1/4, the sum of. Jenna, if it says of, where am I going to put my plus? On what word? On the and. Good. So I'm going to put my plus on the and. 1/4, the sum of r plus 10, r and 10, is identical to, equals, r minus 4. Very good. 1/4, parenthesis, r plus 10 equals r minus 4. All right. 3 plus the sum of the squares of w and x is 32. Try that. Okay. Now, here's what we've got. 3 is 3 plus the sum of. Okay? Now, I saw a lot of people doing this, and I really like this. If you put parentheses there, that's awesome. Did you need them in this case? No, you did not need them in this case because it's all addition. But best practice, if you put those parentheses there, that's awesome. Okay? 3 plus the sum of. So I need sum of. I need to look for and. It says the squares of w and x. So we have w squared plus x is 32. Is means equals. Now I have a question. The squares of w and x. Should it be w squared plus x, or should it be w squared plus x squared? Now, this is going to be straight from English class, all right? Straight from English class. Read this. The sum of the squares. Squares is plural. Caleb?
Both of them.
Both of them. Good. This is plural. So it should be w squared plus x squared. If it just said this, if it said the sum of the square of w and x, then you just square w. Okay? But if this is plural, you need both w squared and x squared. Alright? Now, go ahead and put your whiteboards and markers away. I think today's assignment is going to be a little bit easier than what we just did on the board. What other word did we not cover today that's really important to remember when we're writing equations? What word did we not cover? Is. We did. What does is mean? Is means equals. One other word I said every time you see you have to do something. Carlos, you think you know?
No, it's not. Wait.
Devin. Than. Than means what? What? Flip it. Good. When you see than, you have to flip it. Less than, greater, more than, greater than. And is means equals. Writing equations is really pretty easy if you can kind of remember a couple of those key words.